the simulation program, that is part A, third program, window comparator. Click multisim. Now take the file new. For this we need 741 IC op amp. Go to components, analog, select analog. From this you select 741 IC. This requires 2 ICs, place 2 ICs, and again go to basic. We need resistors according to the circuit requirement. Take number of resistors. Seven resistors required. So place 7 resistors according to the circuit design. And for this we need sources under sources, DC power, DC supply, that is positive, negative, again positive, negative, one more DC across the resistor. Next for this we need again sources, AC power. Take this AC power. Take ground. Wherever you need, place the ground. Here we need to check output from the oscilloscope. Go to simulate, instruments, take oscilloscope. First you change this value, that is 12, and here we are giving 1 kilohertz, 1K. Okay, change this value, and according to the circuit design, what are all the required resistors, change that. Here we need 4.7 kilo ohms resistor, so change this 4.7, and one resistor 6.8 kilo ohm, and again here 4.7 kilo ohm, and the power voltage change to 9 volts. These are all the required changes, okay, made to our components. Flip, rotate, rotate this, and connect the negative to ground. Now same as here, rotate it and connect positive to the positive terminal, ground it. Go on like this. You need to do for all the connections and connect it according to the circuit. Now I'll show the circuit. This is the circuit design. Now save this. Go to run button, click on run. Double click on your oscilloscope. This is the output. The input is here we have given sine wave. For the given sinusoidal input, that is 1 kilohertz, this is upper trip point and the lower trip point output for this window comparator.